Here we go. Okay, everyone, this is Mr. Brett. He had a hair transplant with us back in December of 2022. Mr. Brett, when did you decide that you wanted to get a hair transplant?
You know, a hair transplant is something that I'd wanted for a long time. I started noticing some hair loss, some pretty patent hair loss, probably about 8, 9 years ago, and it really bothered me. It started to affect my self-confidence, and I felt like for my own confidence level that I needed to do something to affect that. And I started researching, started doing my homework, and I saw an ad for Bubolo online. And then I started to look into the process itself and learning more about the different, procedures that were available. The NeoGraft was something that was particularly interesting to me because I wanted to do something like a follicular unit extraction graft where there wouldn't be a scar. And in addition to that, I found out that y'all had some pretty great reviews online. So the facility looked good. It looked like they had some really awesome people involved in the process. And that's kind of how I arrived on the decision to get the hair transplant, and because of the value and the reviews that I read. And then that's how I landed at Bubolo.
Awesome. And how was your experience during the procedure and after?
You know, I got to say, I came in not knowing a whole lot. I knew that it was going to be a pretty complex procedure, but I'll say it was a full day procedure. Like when they say it's a full day, it's a full day. But I will say that, you know, going through that procedure and having like both Shayla and Elsie as a part of it, my hair techs, they were phenomenal. I could tell I was in good hands from the moment that I arrived here. Not only were the staff awesome and all the support staff, but the techs themselves were amazing. They were probably the most top-notch professionals that I've worked with. I felt like they really cared about me as a person, and I picked actually for them to do the transplant as opposed to it being done robotically because I wanted their individual artistry and I wanted my hair to look more natural. So arriving on that process was really easy for me. And the procedure itself, although it hurt, and yeah, I did swell some and it was uncomfortable, when I did see the scars afterwards and I could see the blood spots afterwards and I could see where the hair would be growing in, I was really pumped. I was excited because I knew that the end product was going to be worth it. And now I'm 5 months post hair transplant, and I can already tell a huge improvement. My girl's even noticed, like she can tell that my hairline up front is much improved, and I can say that it's gone a long way for helping my self-confidence too.
Well, Brett, we are so thankful that you decided to choose Bubolo Medical, and we are so excited to be on this journey with you, and we could not thank you enough. You look great, and we're going to help you keep on looking greater.
Well, I can tell you, my hair has only just started from what I've been told. I guess I've seen about 10 to 20% of the hair growth. So, I mean, I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like, and we'll revisit it then, I guess. So,
absolutely. Yeah. We can't wait.
I'm so excited that I did it. If you guys are kind of on the fence about this and you're not sure, the best advice I can give you is at least have your first consult with Bubolo, because it's free. Get a chance to meet with them, see if this might be the right thing for you, and if it is, pull the trigger. I have no regrets. Just wish I'd done it sooner.
You are so awesome. Thank you, Brett.
Thanks. Appreciate it.